Hey, my name is Naila the Lion King, and this is my channel, DBNaila done by Naila. Welcome if you are new. This is a creative mental health safe space, if that makes sense. Yeah. Just don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and all that good stuff. So yeah, I'm here every week. Well, I try to be every week. Y'all know me. I be trying to be consistent sometimes. But basically, I paint a bunch of art that comes from how we're feeling, or I create art. It's not always painting, which I'm gonna switch up because y'all told me just do painting, but I want to switch back up to something else too. Like, I'm trying to go into all the little creative juices I got. So this is what we did last week. Wow. And this is going to be our last Mega May video. I'm going to finish this painting and then come back in with details with colored pencils. But I need help, you guys. It's going to be May, June. It's going to be June. So what are we going to do for June? I don't know what's a good, like, fun slogan. General June. Justifiably June. Jelly June. Juiced up June. I don't know, I feel like I got a bad connotation to that. I need your help, so please comment below and give me some ideas, okay? I need y'all, help me out. I'm going to fix my palette up. So, flip it off. Okay. Blech. I gotta refresh my sticky stuff because, as in double-sided tape. I'm just gonna start sticking things place. Careful for me, baby. There we go. Beautiful. So as usual, I use my paper palettes. So it is $7. Got it from Hobby Lobby. I know I love my Hobby Lobby. They need to sponsor me. I'm gonna just smack it on here, and I'm gonna cut around it. Okay. Palette check. Let's get into the paint colors. So, black. Dark sienna. Ooh, raw sienna. Oh yeah. And then I'm gonna use this Naples yellow hue. I think that was the way to pronounce it, y'all. Last time I was struggling. Just a little bit, Let's get to this pink, magenta. We got our primary red. I don't understand how I got primary. I don't know how I got primary. I was tongue-tied, y'all. You know how you kind of choke up on your words sometimes. I still got to fix my stuttering. I've been stuttering a lot more often. I know you guys been seeing me. Thank y'all for not laughing at me. Oh God! This is why. Oh God! For the love of God! Right. I need one of those rollers. The rollers that roll up your thingies. Not that roller. I'm talking about the roller, like for the paints. Okay. Y'all. Terrible. Absolutely terrible, y'all. Let's get this apron to put over my clothes because this is my Dragon Ball Z shirt. I ain't getting this bad boy dirty. The plan today is to get those hands done, figure out this background, fix the braid, fix the hands, fix it. Just fix it, Jesus, fix it. I think I got all my colors. I'm gonna have to go into this big old blabba-dooba white. By the way, all these paints come from Hobby Lobby. Everything is Liquitex Basics. You know, eventually I will update, I guess, the premium if they got premium, but this will do. I also saw someone say I can put cornstarch in the paint to make it less watery. I didn't know if it was real or not, because my like brown is like super watery, so I might try that with some cornstarch and see what happens. I'm gonna do a little tester real quick before we begin. I think. Oh, excuse me. All right, so I got some cornstarch. This is the Argo cornstarch. So I'm gonna try to use this hat, and I'm gonna just put some paint in here and mix it up and see what happens. I got this really cheap apple barrel paint. Y'all know the apple barrel ones that be like 50 cents at the store. So I got this one in nutmeg. It's supposed to be matte. We know it's not matte. It's see-through matte. I'm gonna show you it is with the regular apple barrel paint. I'll put it in here. It's just a bunch of dry paint on top. Let's see if this is magic or straight dookie booty. I'm gonna get some of this paint. So that's just one layer of that. I'm gonna make two just to show like I have two layers of everything just to see compared to it. The first layer of our square. And I'm gonna dry it just so you can see a double layer, and then we have a regular layer. Okay, this is what it should be looking like. This is the second layer. Super, super solid, right? All right, so this is what I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna add some cornstarch to this. I really don't know how much. It's not a lot of paint in here, so maybe I'll like half a tablespoon, because I don't think we're supposed to put that much. So I'm gonna open my cornstarch, take like about this, no, too much, maybe like about like this much, right? I'm gonna dump it in there and I'm gonna start mixing this around. I'll probably get some more of that brown. Where's the brown? Squirt some more brown in it. This should be good. Like the cornstarch should be like 2/3 of what you have for paint, maybe. I'm guessing. I'm just not sure. Okay, let me just take this off the spoon. And then also this hack, I don't even know for sure if this helps the longevity of the piece. I just know it was a good hack to make it solid. You're probably gonna have to have like a this stinks. You're probably gonna have like to have a really nice good top layers and like to paint over top of this, because I don't know what the longevity of this is. So already this looks extremely thick. I'm not gonna hold you. This looks very thick. Let's see what happens. This is just one layer. Okay. I feel like this worked. Hold on. Let me just really get in there. Let me really get in there. I think this worked. Okay, so I'm gonna do another one and I'm gonna do the 2-layer thing. Bro, this is crazy. Now I'm gonna go ahead and blow dry this and see how solid this actually is. I mean, it's already drying much thicker. You see how translucent that is? This is just one layer. Okay, this is a full-on yes. This, like, hold on, let me get a marker or something to show y'all. Like, huh? This is a starch. So, like, do y'all see this? Look at this. This is super solid. Second of this no starch layer. First layer, these two are first layers. This is a good way to make use of your cheap paint. Shout out to them. I found out who said it. Shout out to them. LYNXXX73, because that makes a lot of sense. I did not think that cornstarch would work like that, but thank you for letting me know. All right, so let's get into this painting. So I'm going to just kind of go back and finish those arms. I wanted to make sure like they're kind of perfect. So for this method, I basically went in and I did the old-fashioned way where I would do my dark colors first and then build my way to go up to make it lighter. It was annoying. It was annoying. It was very annoying. And then so I'm also kind of like jumping between brushes. It's weird. For some reason, I'm having a pretty hard time doing the translucent factors, I guess, of everything. Because I am trying to match those color swatches. It's pretty wild. So at some point I finally am able to just cover up the background area and just cover up those old colors, which is pretty cool. I think me physically seeing it gave me a little bit more confidence with the piece, because honestly I was backing up and looking at it and I just did not like it. So like honestly, how I'm feeling is this piece, I don't know, I'm feeling very uncomfortable with this painting because it's not looking how I want it to look. I felt like the hand itself wasn't really, it didn't have a bold enough distinction between the two things. So if you notice, like a lot of so there's the hand that comes down on my head, which is right against the painting in the background, plus there's a hand against that painting. So it's just like I have to make sure every color's in their correct color order. So that means making sure anything that's over the picture frame is going to be lighter than it is on the outside of the picture frame. It was just a whole lot of technical things that of course I thought of in my mind, but it was really hard because I had to really keep that translucent mindset, but also keep the color scheme. So I don't know, it was stressful. It was very stressful. You know, even like just talking about the piece itself, you know, this piece is supposed to represent like the idea of me like helping myself and being motivational with myself and being positive about things. And like here I go painting this piece and being extremely negative, like, and tell y'all, but I want to scrap this like multiple times, but I'm like, no, I gotta keep going, I gotta finish this, you know, because I mean I did repurpose this from the old painting. Y'all remember that last time? That was crazy. Like, as you guys know, I've been on like live trying to finish this, and like I've been on live for like low-key every day this week, to be honest. And I've been trying to like push it out and just kind of like say the chorus and just keep going, but it's just honestly I feel like it's gotten harder and harder. But finally I think I finished for the most part the painting for it, and my next step will definitely be going back for detailing with like color pencils, which I will do that next week or probably later this week, I don't know. But I technically am done with painting, so I did it. I kept my word and I stopped. Kept my word and I stopped. We're done. Like, I'm done. I'm done, you know. I have no idea what I'm gonna do next month because it's June. But please, if you know anything, comment below, help me out. I need some help. I need some ideas for next month, because like, you know, I do topic stuff. My commissions are closed. I'm gonna have them closed this Friday, so y'all gonna see this probably Wednesday or Thursday, I don't know, but my commissions are closed, so no more commissions. But if you want to buy stuff, don't forget, my shop is here. I got stickers and I will have prints soon. I just want to put that out there. I will have prints soon. I've been getting a lot of like questions like, oh, you're gonna have prints, you're gonna have prints. I love prints, I just can't afford them, but I found some cool websites that some people told me about, and I'm going to try to order those. But I'm gonna let y'all know if it's a good site or not. I'm gonna let y'all know, because I know y'all don't want to buy like the original paintings because they're like a lot of money. So I'm gonna get some prints. But yeah, thank you guys. I love you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and all that good stuff. And I always forget to show you the physical painting. I'm sorry, give me a second. And I'm gonna be using color pencils. Oops. Color pencils to finish out the rest. I'm gonna just put that there so you can see it there. Yeah, it's been a journey. I thank y'all for sticking on and listening to me and coming back every week as I try to post. I really hope everyone had a good weekend, and I will see you guys very soon. Don't forget, this is my palette. That was terrible. Noise.
Finally! I've been trying to catch you boys all day! Now that I've got you right where I want you!
Like and subscribe. nice.